Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11 by Usha and myself Usha. In this podcast, I'll demonstrate different wake words that you can use with ecchodot. Wake word is the word that you use to draw the attention of Alexa. There are 4 wake words that you can use in ecchodot. Number 1, Alexa, which is by default. Number 2, Amazon. Number 3, computer. And number 4, echo. You can set any of these wake word from Alexa app. Before that, let me check if voice command works to change the wake word. Alexa, change wake word.
For help with that question, go to the help and feedback section of the Alexa app.
Let me try to ask in different way. Alexa, update wake word.
For help with that question, go to the help and feedback section of the Alexa app.
Alexa, how can I change the wake word?
You can find and update my wake word in the Alexa app. Select the device's icon, select your device, and then select wake word.
Alright then, it seems like voice command is not working, so let's try to change the wake word from Alexa app. Okay. Open Amazon Alexa app.
Amazon Alexa, active.
Focus to device tab.
Devices, tab, 2 of 3.
Double tap. Now choose your device.
Devices. Alexa on this, alexaechodot, swipe left or right to access device actions, button.
This is my device, I'll double tap. Swipe and focus to devices settings.
Device settings, button.
Double tap. In this device settings page, switch to heading mode and focus to general heading.
Language, English, headings. Device settings, heading. Audio, heading. Wireless, heading. Connected devices, general, heading.
Under this general heading, keep flicking till you find wake word option.
Tap gesture, ultrasound, sounds, Amazon, do not communicate, device, time zone, wake word, Alexa's voice new, wake word Alexa.
Wake word Alexa, double tap. Let me navigate in this wake word screen.
Wake word, heading. Your wake word is what you say to get Alexa's attention. Changes will only affect this device. Alexa. Amazon, radio button, not checked. Computer, radio button, not checked. Echo, radio button, not checked. Tap to enable Alexa.
As you can notice, there are 4 wake words: Alexa, Amazon, computer, and echo. By default, wake word is Alexa. So let me start with Alexa. Alexa, what's the share price of Reliance Industries?
When the market closed on Friday, Reliance Industries traded at 2,393 Indian rupees and 90 paise on the National Stock Exchange of India, down 0.07% since previous close.
Now let me change the wake word.
Amazon, radio button, not checked.
I'll select Amazon.
Alert, updating your wake word may take a few minutes. You can continue using your current wake word during this update. Alexa will tell you when the update is complete. Cancel. OK, button.
Okay, I'll double tap.
Amazon updating, ellipsis. Radio button, check, dimmed.
Amazon, is there any software update?
One moment while I check. This device is up to date.
Now let me try with the third wake word.
Computer, radio button, not checked.
I'll select computer.
Alert, updating your wake word may take a few minutes. You can continue using cancel, OK, button.
Okay.
Computer updating, ellipsis. Radio button, check, dimmed.
Let me try. Computer, when is Kartik Purnima?
From astrotalk.com. Kartik Purnima in 2023 will be on November 27th, 2023.
And finally, let me try with the last wake word, that is echo.
Echo, radio button, not checked.
I'll double tap.
Alert, updating your wake word may take a few minutes. You can continue using cancel, OK, button. Echo updating, ellipsis. Radio button, check, dimmed.
Let me try with this wake word. Echo, what are the latest iPhone models?
On September 12th, 2023, Apple announced the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 lineup was made available to the public Friday, September 22nd.
These are the wake words which you can use with ecchodot. That's all in this podcast. Thank you.